And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. As you see, we're in the computer room and this is my bench. It just looks like a piece of door skin over the keyboard of a laptop. This is the grinder I got from Micromark. Variable speed, right? Faster than I like at dead slow. So, I'm going to zoom in here now. And this right here is a variable potentiometer. Think of it as the fine adjustment on the speed. Now, what I'm about to do will void the warranty on this unit. Okay, warranty voided. But now it goes as slow as I would like it to. With the slowest speed. Variable potentiometer. Looks sort of like an omega. You know that Greek letter, omega? Sort of looks like an omega. I do not recommend this to you for two reasons. One, it voids the warranty. Two, it may cause some damage to the electronics. But then since, you know, I really don't generally care about warranties, they're not worth the toilet paper they write them on. And I believe I know when a machine is not working right. So, much nicer slow speed, in my opinion. Don't do this at home. And if you do, don't blame it on me because I told you don't do it. If you do it anyway and you think about suing me, remember this one thing. Tell your lawyer unattachable income. For you that aren't lawyers, that means blood from a stone, turkey. Do it at your own risk. Good night from California. Stay safe.